They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best.
As long as the old X-Class arms, I'm gonna dive it. It's the first time I've carried it all the way up here.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I'll make mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm screaming. Okay, it's a dream, and I pray as a team. One day it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay, I just visit. Have no shame, I admit it. Looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now.
That looks pretty stout though.
Yeah. You like build it?
Yeah, it's home built.
Holy cow.
Yeah, home built.
Wow, that's impressive.
Or at least it looks that way.
Look at him.
Oh my gosh, we got it for you! If you could hear us!
Thank you so much for picking it up. I think that's what, when he hit me, I think that's what broke the blade. It's broken now, buddy, I'm sorry. We had a little bit of a collision and it came tumbling down out of the sky, but it just has a broken prop. So, it lives to fly another day, theoretically. We'll have to test everything out when I get home, of course. But it was worth it. I flew behind the waterfall. I flew above the waterfall. I did flippy flops on the waterfall and twisty loos and a bunch of other ridiculous stuff. And I'm excited. It's a beautiful place. Watson Falls. I'll be back.
Best of me, they want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me.